Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Imagine entering a surau during a hot weather, especially during a crowded prayer times. The space become a warm, airflow is limited and the worshipper may feel uncomfortable. From this simple problem, our team come up with a sustainable solution called a Solar Breeze. Solar Breeze is a community service project that uses a solar energy powered to a DC fan system at the Surau Sungai Kg Pusu. So the main purpose of this project is to improve ventilation, reduce heat and create a more comfortable environment for a worshipper and the local community. Surau Sungai Kg Pusu is an important place for the local community. However, because Malaysia has a hot and humid climate, the surau can become uncomfortable when the airflow is limited, especially during the hot days and the crowded prayer session. Using a normal electrical fans may increase the electrical usage and cost. Because of that, our team wanted to introduce a cleaner and more cost-effective alternative by using a solar energy. Our project support the SDG 7, which is affordable and clean energy, SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, and SDG 13, climate action. It is also related to the Maqasid Syariah, especially Hifzun Nafs, which means preserving human well-being, and Hifzun Mal, which is protecting wealth by reducing electricity dependence.
The main objective of Solar Breeze was to design and install functional solar-powered fan system that can improve airflow using renewable energy. The system includes a 50-watt, 18-volt monocrystalline solar panel, a 12-volt DC wall fan, wiring and DC step-down converter to regulate the voltage safely for the fan. Through this project, we wanted to show that the engineering knowledge can be used not only for technical purposes but also to serve society and protect the environment. Our project began on 11 April 2026 with a site visit to Surau Sungai Kg Pusu, where we assess factors such as sunlight exposure, safety such as the sustainability and airflow. We also discussed the project with the Ketua Kampung and received approval for installation. On 9 May 2026, we launched a fundraising campaign through social media and successfully raised 262 ringgit to support the purchase of the project material. The main component arrived on 14 May 2026 and the system was assembled and tested on May 16, 2026 to ensure a proper operation. Finally, on 22nd May, we completed the installation of the solar-powered fan system at the Surau and conduct a final testing to improve airflow and comfort for the worshipper.
From an engineering perspective, this project allowed us to apply practical electrical and installation knowledge. We ensure the solar panel, converter and fan work safely and efficiently together. The project also promotes sustainability by using solar energy, which reduces reliance on conventional electricity and encourage clean energy awareness within the community. The Solar Breeze system was successfully installed and operated using solar energy. It improved airflow and helped make the surau more comfortable for worshippers. The project received positive feedback from the community and achieved our main objective. It also provides valuable experience and for our team in teamwork, problem solving, communication and hands-on engineering.
The first challenge is weather dependency. Since fans depends on sunlight, its performance may decrease during cloudy or rainy condition. The second challenge is maintenance. Dust, leaf or dirt on the solar panel can reduce energy generation, so regular cleaning is needed. The third challenge is long-term responsibility. The system needs someone from the community to monitor it and report any issues in the future. For future improvement, the system can be upgraded by adding a battery storage system using a larger solar panel, improving the fan efficiency or installing more fans unit if there is enough funding. In conclusion, the Solar Breeze project successfully achieved its main objective, which was to design, build and install a solar power fan system at Surau Sungai Kg Pusu. This project may look simple, but its value is bigger than user friend. It improves comfort for the community, promotes renewable energy, reduce dependency on conventional electricity, and show how engineering students can contribute to society. Solar Bridge reminds us that sustainability does not always need to start with a large project. Sometimes you start with one small idea, one community need, and one team willing to take action. Thank you.